video in virtual wholesaling. Again, we've already talked about some of this stuff, but sellers can showcase their properties through, video walkthroughs. Like you can do a walkthrough with the seller with the, through the video. I'll show you that with Whitney here in just a minute. You have real-time visual communication, again, making it easier to assess the property remotely. Whitney's going tomorrow to go look at a property for me with one of my contractors that we're going to be listing. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm not going to FaceTime her. I'm going to send her the link to the video to a video call, and she's going to walk through the property through the smartphone video integration. So it gets added to that property for me, or at least to her contact, so that we have that on the record. I can open it up, I can download it, I can put it wherever I want to put it. Okay. Building rapport with sellers, facilitating visual case studies like body language. I already mentioned that. And then also those video recordings serving as documentation for both training purposes is a big one, right? And record keeping and ensuring that all interactions are captured. Again, FaceTime and all that stuff doesn't get captured. The use case that we're going to do is Whitney's going to be our contractor today, or one of our employees, and she's going to walk a property for us, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on, I'm going to grab her phone number here. And there's a couple ways I can do this, but the easiest way is just to click on the smartphone extension here, do video call, all right? And then I can search, there it is, and then I can scroll down, I can find her number, or I can just go ahead, and the easiest way to do this is just to copy this link, okay? And then I'm just going to click the text button here, or I can click my drop down here. So she's the 8955. So I see it's Whitney. I have her tag there. So I'll just click the drop down here, and then I'll text her the link. And after I text that to her, all right, so I text it to her, and then I'll go ahead and join. I can't use video because I'm using video. Oh, and then I'll join. Okay, and so she should be able to join it. There she is.
My camera.
All right.
Got it.
All right, so Whitney is inside 161 Homewood Drive right now, and she's just going to give me a walkthrough and give me an update because I haven't seen it in a while because I've been away from this property since July. All right, and so you should be able to see it pretty well. You can see connectivity is good. She's using her regular Wi-Fi, cellular service right now. There's no Wi-Fi, obviously, at this building. You can see.
And you can record this call. Sorry, Tyler. You can.
Oh, and you can. Yeah, let me go ahead and start recording. Good call. Let's start recording it because I do want this recording. Okay, it's going to start recording, and then you can see in the top left corner, the session's being recorded. Okay, Whitney, so go ahead and just walk me through inside, and I'd like to see that bottom right bedroom that flooded on us. Okay, so I see we got a lot of leaves inside the house coming in. Where are is that leaves, or is that, that's
It's
insulation?
Yeah.
Don't touch it,
It's
yeah.
insulation.
Be
I
itchy.
won't touch it.
Okay, awesome. So they got the front door in, so that's cool. Okay. So excited to get drywall in this place. Okay, bathroom looks good. It's, looking pretty much the same as when I left, 3 months ago, which is both satisfying and terrible at the same time. Because I'm glad it's not worse. But yeah, so it looks good. What about that other bathroom? Is that one still not wet or anything like that? The master bathroom? Perfect. Okay, so okay, good. That's not leaking. There used to be a leak in there. The plumbers had to come back and fix it, so they fixed that. That's good. Cool. And what about the outside near the AC unit? Is it full of water there? That's a live demonstration of it. Really good video quality. And again, she was on her regular internet, from her phone provider, not like Wi-Fi or anything. And I think that's awesome. I was able to see clearly. I was able to see what exactly is going on with the property, ask her some questions. She showed me them, and then it'll save onto that record and it'll be there.